How to install macOS on a Windows PC. Okay, by creating a Hackintosh with a bootable USB drive and compatible PC. Hackintosh. Okay, Hackintosh guide. Whoa, okay. Oh boy. Oh boy, okay. This is pretty complicated. Let's just go on YouTube and figure out an easier way to do this. Easiest way to install macOS on Windows PC. Perfect. OP Core Simplify. Oh, perfect. We can get the latest and greatest macOS Tahoe 26. Looks like everything is compatible. All right, perfect. Now it's installing, now it's making the EFI file. Okay, please, USB mapping. USB toolbox tool. USB toolbox text. Okay, USB toolbox. D, discover ports. All right, now we are going to take a USB drive and plug it into every spot. Okay, as you can see, all the blue spots were all the ones that it didn't already have. All right, build text. Done. Now that we have that done, so now agree. Take the EFI file, drag it in here, and now paste it into texts. Perfect. Now we're gonna get proper tree, and then we're going to open the config file using proper tree. File, OC snapshot, select, OC save. All right, then we can close this. So our EFI file is complete. Obviously, we want the latest and greatest Tahoe. We're just gonna copy, paste, enter. Now it's gonna download the macOS Tahoe recovery image. All done. So now we're gonna close this out. Now we're gonna take the EFI file plus the recovery image. We're gonna paste them into the USB drive. Perfect. Now that that's done, our next step is going to be to restart to BIOS. Okay, here we are. We just want to make sure secure boot is turned off. Perfect. Looks like our USB drive is working, and finally we booted into the recovery menu for macOS Tahoe. So first we're going to partition the drive so we have a spot for macOS to be installed on. All done. Perfect. Now we're going to install macOS Tahoe. Continue, agree, and continue. And now we just gotta wait. And now it's all done. So it restarted a couple times, but here we are, the open screen. Let's select English and wait. Okay, now we're setting up a PC account. I'm gonna put Devin Spark. Okay, here we are. Well, I guess we did it.